How to clean white gold. White gold, elegant, timeless, and sophisticated. It's the perfect choice for rings, necklaces, bracelets, and more. But, like all precious metals, white gold needs proper care to keep its beautiful shine. Over time, it can lose its luster, becoming dull due to dirt, oils, and everyday wear. So, how can you bring back that brilliant sparkle without damaging your cherished pieces? You're in the right place. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're diving into everything you need to know about cleaning white gold safely and effectively. I'll show you step-by-step techniques, from quick at-home methods using items you already have, to tips on when to take your jewelry to a professional. And don't worry, we'll also cover some common mistakes to avoid so your white gold stays stunning for years to come. Welcome to Best Choices. This video will tell you how to cleaning your jewelry and maintaining white gold. Now let's get started. Things you'll need. 1. Small bowl. 2. Mild dish soap. 3. Baking soda. 4. Soft bristled brush. 5. Microfiber towel. Method 1. Cleaning your jewelry. Number 1. Inspect your jewelry for loose stones or broken clasps. Before you begin, take your piece of jewelry and gently look it over. Loose stones or broken pieces need to be dealt with before you submerge the jewelry in water, otherwise you might lose something. If you notice loose or wiggling pieces, take your jewelry to a professional to have the piece repaired. Use a resealable plastic bag to transport it so that nothing gets lost along the way. Number 2. Mix mild dish soap with warm water to soak your white gold. Use about 1 teaspoon, 4.9 milliliters, of mild dish soap and 1 to 2 cups, 240 to 470 milliliters, of warm water. Stir the water with your fingers or a spoon to make the water bubbly. The warm water and soap will gently dislodge any dirt or grime on your jewelry. If your jewelry is really dirty, add 3 to 4 drops of ammonia to the soapy water. Don't use hot water to clean your jewelry. Number 3. Soak your jewelry in the soapy water for 20 to 25 minutes. This is the easy part. Just gently place your pieces in the water, set a timer, and walk away. If your jewelry has pearls or onyx stones, don't soak it. Rather, wrap the metal parts in a soft cloth that has been soaked in warm, soapy water. Number 4. Make a paste out of water and baking soda and scrub the pieces. In a small bowl, use about 1/2 tablespoon, 10 grams, of baking soda and just enough water to create a thick paste. Remove the jewelry from the water and scrub each piece with a soft bristled brush, like a toothbrush. The baking soda and brush will reach those tiny crevices, and it'll also make your pieces brighter. If your jewelry is really dirty, you could sub out the water for half a cup, 120 milliliters, of white vinegar instead. Number 5. Rinse off the soap and baking soda under warm water. When the pieces are shiny and there's no more visible soap or paste, you can stop rinsing. Be sure to let water flow between any clasps to thoroughly rinse everything away. Either plug the sink or rinse the items out over a colander to prevent losing anything down the drain. Number 6. Dry and buff the jewelry with a microfiber cloth. Gently rub each piece until it is dry. Spend time getting between clasps and in small areas that might be hard to reach. The microfiber towel will dry the white gold without leaving any lint or fabric behind. You could also use a special jeweler's cloth, if you have one. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Maintaining white gold. Number 1. Clean your white gold once a month to keep it in good shape. If you have a piece that gets a lot of use, like a ring, you may even want to clean it every week. Regular cleanings will keep your jewelry shining. Set a reminder on your calendar for a monthly cleaning so you don't forget. Excessive cleaning can wear down the rhodium plating more quickly, so make sure to avoid abrasive cleaning products. Number 2. Use a white gold cleaning product if soapy water doesn't work. Sometimes white gold might have more buildup on it and need something tougher than water and baking soda. Use a spray designed for white gold and follow the manufacturer's instructions to clean your pieces. Lots of common jewelry cleaning products shouldn't be used on white gold because they'll eat away at the rhodium plating. Number 3. Have a jeweler replate your white gold in rhodium if it's turning yellow. This is not uncommon for white gold. Over time, the rhodium does wear away, which will make your jewelry look worn down, regardless of how much you clean it. Visit a reputable jeweler and pay to have them refresh the rhodium coating. Depending on what you're having done, replating will cost anywhere from $40 to $135. Number 4. Store white gold apart from other kinds of jewelry to prevent scratches. White gold scratches and dents easily, so store it somewhere it won't bump up against other, harder, pieces. If you have a jewelry box, dedicate one section to white gold, or you could even wrap each piece in a small microfiber cloth for extra protection. Keep white gold away from high heat. Don't store it near a heating vent or radiator. Number 5. Take off white gold jewelry if you're going to be swimming in chlorine. Chlorine will eat away at the rhodium plating. Avoid wearing your white gold pieces in the pool. If you're out at a public pool, store your jewelry in the glove box of your car, or put it down inside a bag to keep it safe. You should also consider taking off any white gold pieces, like rings, when you shower. Soap scum and hard water can build up on pieces over time. Number 6. Wear gloves when using abrasive cleaning products. In addition to eating away at the plating, the chemicals can get behind mountings and cause them to deteriorate, which could loosen stones over time. If you don't want to wear gloves, just remember to take off your white gold rings before cleaning. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Tips. If you wear a lot of lotion, it can accumulate on your jewelry and make it look dingy. Take off your jewelry before applying lotion and work it into your skin before replacing it. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Warnings. Never use toothpaste to clean your white gold jewelry. It can dull the surface of the piece of jewelry, or it could even leave small scratches. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.